What's the meaning of Anfield Road? Anfield Road. Anfield Road. Anfield Road. Anfield Road. Anfield Road.
Anfield Road refers to the name of a street in the city of Liverpool, England. The street is most famous for being the location of Anfield Stadium, home of the Liverpool Football Club. Anfield Road has become synonymous with the club and its passionate supporters, who often refer to themselves as Anfield Roaders or simply Roaders. The history and traditions associated with Anfield Road have helped make it an iconic location in the world of sports, and a beloved destination for soccer fans around the globe.